Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these metatarsal pain relief insoles, and so if you have need any arch support or metatarsal support, this is what's going to give you the ability to do that. It comes in different sizes. I got size 8 to 8.5 men's because I wear like a size 8. And the way it works is you'll see this is the thing here. It's flexible, but it's got a little ball right there. And so, as simple as it is, if I have a shoe, I'll just stick it in my shoe, and then it's there. And then I can put it on my feet. I don't know if there's anything worth seeing, but I'll try it out here in a second. And I'll tell you how it is. Okay, so it's right by where my arch is. So you can see it's right there is where the ball is. So it's like right here. So that's where it is. So if that's where you needed support, that's where it's going to give it to you. You can kind of see it's right there. So it works good. I mean, I could feel it, and it still gave me some cushion and stuff. And it had a hard part. But let me get this out of here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I could have just showed the other one. But you see, it's the hard part here, the little bump, but it is somewhat flexible, so it's not going to be too painful. So pretty cool. Nice little set here, and you get a set of 2 of them, and seems to work good. Thumbs up.